AI, Artificial Intelligence, Overview from Training Dataset, Test Dataset, Unseen Dataset, ML, Machine Learning, Deep Learning, Deep Neural Networks, Python libraries, and output layer as per requirement. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. Here's an overview of various concepts related to AI, artificial intelligence, including training dataset, test dataset, unseen dataset, machine learning, ML, deep learning, deep neural networks, Python libraries, and the output layer as per the requirements of a typical AI project. 1. Training dataset. A training dataset is a set of data used to train a machine learning model. It contains input data, features, and corresponding target labels. The model learns patterns and relationships in the training data to make predictions. 2. Test dataset. A test dataset is used to evaluate the performance of a trained model. It contains data that the model hasn't seen during training. The model's accuracy, precision, recall, and other metrics are calculated on this dataset to assess its generalization capability. 3. Unseen dataset. An unseen dataset is a set of data that the model has never encountered before. It's used to test the model's real-world performance. This dataset helps ensure that the model can make accurate predictions on new, previously unseen data. 4. Machine learning, ML. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that involves the development of algorithms that can learn from and make predictions or decisions based on data. ML algorithms can be categorized into supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, depending on the nature of the learning task. 5. Deep learning, deep neural networks. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that focuses on neural networks with multiple layers, deep neural networks. It has gained popularity due to its ability to automatically learn features from data and is used in tasks like image and speech recognition. Deep learning models often include convolutional neural networks, CNNs, for image data and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, for sequential data. 6. Python libraries. Python is a popular programming language for AI and machine learning. Common Python libraries for AI development include NumPy for numerical operations and data manipulation, Pandas for data handling and analysis, scikit-learn for machine learning algorithms, TensorFlow and PyTorch for deep learning, Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization. 7. Output layer. In a neural network, the output layer is the final layer responsible for producing the model's predictions or classifications. The structure of the output layer depends on the specific task. For example, it could consist of a single neuron for binary classification or multiple neurons for multi-class classification. Activation functions in the output layer, such as softmax for classification, sigmoid for binary classification, or linear for regression, determine the format of the predictions. In a typical AI project, you start by collecting and pre-processing data, which is then split into a training dataset and a test dataset. You train your model on the training data, tune its parameters, and evaluate its performance on the test data. After achieving a satisfactory level of accuracy, you deploy the model to make predictions on unseen data in real-world applications. Libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch provide tools to build deep learning models, while Python libraries like scikit-learn facilitate machine learning tasks. The design of the output layer depends on the specific problem, such as classification or regression. Thank you.